About this item: 2 pair 15mm rods, SmallRig M12 thread 15mm rod set 1659, includes 2 PCS M12-20 cm rods, 2 PCS M12 30 cm rods and 2 PCS rod connectors. Wide compatibility, designed for a wide variety of DSLR and HD video camera accessories such as handlebars, shoulder mount, follow focus and matte boxes, etc. High quality material made of durable anodized black aluminum, CNC machinery structure, durable and stable to use when shooting. It is the best choice for a shoulder support system. Great combination. The M12-20 cm rod could attach to an M12 30 cm rod via a rod connector for the shooting. This combination extends more possibilities and versatilities. Specifications: material, aluminum. Diameter, 15mm. Length, 20 cm, 8/30 cm, 12. Weight, 55g, 8/85g, 12. Related products: if you need a higher carrying capacity rod, we have stainless steel rod 3684, 3682, and 3683.